The most common reason a button maker jams is people putting too much material into the machine. Any button maker will probably jam if you accidentally add more than one front shell, mylar, or graphic into the dies. Unless your button maker is specifically designed for photo paper, using thick paper will also jam the button maker. Quick tip! Sometimes the front shells can stick together during shipping. Dropping them on a table will easily separate them. Not to worry if you have accidentally jammed your button machine, you can follow these easy steps. Unjam your button maker and be back up pressing those buttons again in no time. Here we have a button maker that I intentionally jammed by adding 2 shells. If the machine is not jammed too badly, you can try vigorously shaking the handle back and forth. A lot of times that is all that's needed to unjam your button maker. This step can be repeated several times. Another option is to get a book or a few old magazines and tap the bottom of the machine until the dies separate. Move the red handle back and forth rapidly a few more times. You can also get a wooden spoon and place it on the lower die's outer ring. Apply an even downward pressure on one side of the die and then the other. If all else fails, get a small piece of wood. Using a hammer, lightly tap the wood, first on one side of the lower die's outer ring, then again on the opposite side. Make sure to never hit the dies directly with the hammer or try to pry them apart with a screwdriver or other sharp instrument, as that will damage your button maker. Next, simply turn the lower dies until the deeper die, the one that would hold the pin back, is under the upper die. Now pull the handle halfway down and the center plug should kick out the jammed material. Turn the die again and you should be able to remove the parts. The parts are not usable again, so make sure to dispose of them properly. Now you can lift the upper die and feel if there's anything else stuck. If all is clear, you should be able to feel a hole in the center of the upper die. If there is no material left, you are good to go and start making buttons again. Please contact American Button Machines if your button maker needs any special assistance. They are greatly great.